Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Unlock your Fire tablet and pull the top shade down to reveal quick settings. Locate the screen record tile and tap it once to open the recorder. If you don't see the tile, go straight to Settings, open Display or Quick Settings Customization, and add the screen record tile. This saves time and prevents hunting later. Do that now so the recorder is available whenever you need to capture the screen. Once the recorder opens, set how you want audio captured. Device audio, microphone, or both. Pick what matches your goal because it affects whether internal sound or narration is recorded. Next, check quality settings like resolution or frame rate if they appear. Higher settings mean bigger files. Tap Start and watch the short countdown. Use the floating controls or notification to pause or stop. Make sure any overlays or sensitive screens are ready before you begin recording. To finish, stop the recorder from the notification shade, quick settings, or on-screen control so the file saves properly. Once saved, open Photos, Gallery, or Files videos to view, trim, and share your clip. If you can't find the screen record tile or your recording has no sound, make sure the recorder has microphone permission and that system audio is enabled. If problems persist, update Fire OS and reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.